Hello, my dear students. Once again, welcome back to your English class with the continuation of chapter Comparison. In my last video, I have introduced you to comparison and its different degrees. Today, let us take some adjectives and change their forms. So, here are some adjectives in their positive degree. We will change these adjectives from their positive degree to comparative and superlative degree. Children, I hope you already know when positive, comparative and superlative degrees are used, as I have already explained you in my last video. But once again, I am telling you. Positive degree is used when we are talking about a single person. We are not comparing with anyone. Comparative degree is used to compare between two objects or two person. And superlative degree is used when we are comparing between more than two objects or two person. So here are some adjectives given in the box in their positive degree. The adjectives are small, tall, long, old, young, fast, low, light, good, little, bad, beautiful. Now, children, we will change these adjectives from their positive degree to comparative and superlative degree. When we are changing the adjectives to comparative degree, it will end in er, and when we are changing the positive degree to superlative degree, the adjective will change to est. That means the adjective will end in est. So, first one is small. So, small, smaller, smallest. As you can see, the comparative degree and it has ended in er, and in the superlative degree, the adjective has ended in est. Next, tall, taller, tallest. Long, longer, longest. Old, older, oldest. Young, younger, youngest. Fast, faster, fastest. Low, lower, lowest. Light, lighter, lightest. Okay, children, now these adjectives, when I have changed from positive to comparative, all the adjectives have ended in er. And in the superlative degree, all the adjectives have ended in est. But now, follow these adjectives very carefully. Good, little, bad, beautiful. They are little, unusual, and these adjectives do not change in the comparative form to er and est. Okay, so let's see what we can change it to. Good, better, best. Now see, from good we will not say gooder and goodest. So good will be changed to better and good will be changed to best. So in the comparative degree it is better, and in the superlative degree it is best. Now the next one is little. Again here, not littler and littlest. We will not say that. It is incorrect. So little will change to less in the comparative degree, and again little will change to least in the superlative degree. Same again bad, we will not say badder and baddest. Many of us have the habit, ma'am, he is badder than me, or she is badder than him. We sometimes use it, but it is wrong. Bad will change to worse in the comparative degree, and bad will change to worst in the superlative degree. Now, beautiful. Again, we will not say beautifuler and beautifulest. It is incorrect. So, beautiful will change to more beautiful in the comparative degree and most beautiful in the superlative degree. So, children, I hope you have understood this explanation. Okay, children, now let us do some fill in the blanks with suitable degree of adjectives given in the brackets. The first one is, a chair is dash than a bed. Now, when we are seeing the sentence, from the sentence itself, we will get to know which degree of adjective to be used in this blank space. As I have already said in the last class, in the sentence after the blank space, if we have the word than, that means we know it is being compared between two objects. So out here, chair and bed are being compared. So we will use the comparative degree. So small or smaller is the comparative degree out here. It is smaller. So smaller will be in the blank space. A chair is smaller than a bed. Okay, next, number 2. Rahul took the dash jump, longest and long. So out of these two, which one will be suitable to be used in the blank space? So again we will get to know from the sentence itself which degree to be used. Now follow, children, before the blank space, if we have the word the, that means we know the superlative degree of the adjective will be used in the blank space. So Rahul took the longest. In the superlative degree, we have the est, the adjective ending in est. So longest jump. Rahul took the longest jump. Okay, next one, number 3. Reena is a dash girl, tall or taller. In the blank space, it is given tall or taller. Which one to use? Now see, children, out here after the bracket I don't have than, and before the bracket I don't have the. So I know what degree? Positive degree. So I will use the positive degree of the adjective in this blank space. So which is the positive degree? Tall, as ER. That means it is the comparative degree. Okay, so Reena is a tall girl. So children, I hope you all have understood my explanation when to use which degree of adjectives correctly in the sentences. Children, now do exercise A and B of page 25 and 26 as your homework in the book. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.